Hello, hello, hello. How are you doing today? Are you? Are you up? Do you know your name? Say, Mima, what do you ask me that? I always know my name. Well, some days I don't. You know what I've got in my hand? You know, I told you that I had ordered. I don't know if I talked to you about that or not, but I was looking through Amazon. Yes, I was. And they had the bulbs on sale. They're called Big Time Happy Allium Replacements. The Hemiogalus. Yes. So, can you see? Well, I love those. Hope they come up. And anyway, I ordered a bag. One bag. Because they were on sale in the season, kind of thing. Well, I ordered the bag and I thought, well, I didn't get the bag. I didn't get the bag. I didn't get the bag. 3 weeks. I said, no, I didn't get them. So I let the seller know. This is a touch of Echo. And they felt so bad that I hadn't gotten them. They did. They sent me 2 packages and didn't even charge me. Of course, I already paid for one that didn't get to me. I'm just sure somebody saw those bulbs and said, those are going to be mine. And I hope they're blooming somewhere really pretty. But, so I've also got, now these names, you know what they are, but I don't. Crocosmia. Crocosmia, can you see them? Anyway, there's 10 of those. And it doesn't say how many of these, so we'll see. These allium. And these are the anemone. That sounds like a bean, anemone. And there's 20 of those. And these are Barcadia? No. Bradia. There's 30 of them. I don't know what they are. I'll have to look them up. On top of that, I got another bag. I'm not going to open it right now because I'm getting dirt all over me from the packaging. So I've got to figure out how to plant these and exactly what they are. But it says, your bulbs are ready to plant. Dig a hole to the depth listed below or the size of the root. Place or drop the bulb nose up or roots down in the hole and cover with soil. Dampen, moisten the soil with water. It's called the English Garden Mix. And it says there's 100 bulbs, or 100, bulbs. And you plant them at 4 inches depth in partial sun at 6 inches apart. I got to get some digging done. I wish it'd cool off a little bit so I could do that, because these need to be in the ground. I wonder if I need to put them in the water. You think? They look like they're starting to come up in the bag. Anyway. anyway. I got me some. Open. Bonnie just sent me a message. Haven't been on here in a couple of days because I've been at a craft show. Oh, did you do good? Did you sell things or did you buy things? And what did you buy? I bet you had a good time. I hope it wasn't too hot. Was it inside? Or you went early morning? Or is it in local church? Or I'm just nosy like that, aren't I? I want to know everything. Because if you experience, you tell me about it, then I experience it too. Yeah. And so did everybody else. We're all sitting inside where it's cool. Oh, I got my book haul today, and I was starting to do my book reviews. I can't keep up with the books and the reviews and get them posted. I get so distracted by other things. Today I told babies, Connor and them, I said, I've got to take a nap today. Yesterday was busy and I didn't get a nap. And I always get a nap between 3 and 5. Because it just makes me feel better. And it also gives me another day. When I get up at 5 o'clock, I say, oh, it's a whole new day. But anyway, it's not. But anyway, you know what I'm talking about. So I was laying in bed, you know, just about asleep, and I heard, and I heard shovel, 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 and I heard rocks, 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 and dirt, 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 and I heard, and I said, my sister's up to something. I can't lay here in bed if she's out there doing something. I want to go see what she's doing. Maybe I can help her, right? So I went out there because, you know, I'm a professional napper. So when I take a nap, I go and put my gown on, which is what I have on now. And so I just tromped out here like that, you know, got out there, and I'm watching her. So what are you doing? She's painting a work shed. Yes, her son had come yesterday and put this shed that she had ordered together. Well, it wasn't that right color that she wanted, so she decided that she'd paint it to meet, you know, to match this she shed that she has in the backyard. And she had been doing that with if you can imagine my sister, I'm telling you, she's out there, and she got paint on her nose, she got paint on her arm, you know, and she's spray painting this shed. Well, it's all assembled except for the roof and the doors. It's really, really nice. And she's going to put it behind my apartment here on the outside in her yard, of course, and it's really pretty. It's a striking blue, and it does match her she shed. But anyway, she's painting it out there. Well, she has to lay it down, so because it's hard for her to hold the spray machine, you know, one of those you do your house with. She's out there. And so she said, well, if we'll lay it flat like that, then I can just drop it down, you know, and not hold it up. And you know what I mean, for her arm, because she's got arthritis so bad. She can't open doors sometimes. She can't open the door. But anyway, and so I said, what's this? Looks like you got everything under control. And she says, almost, but I need to get to this side. So I walked over there, you know, and said, okay, I'll help you. And she said, just hold on to this. Just hold on to this now, and I'll pick this other end up. And I said, okay. Well, make a long story short, we did a good job. And so it's all okay. She's got it all painted, and she's got started packing her stuff in there, and it was just so adorable. And I said, "Are we through here?" And we gave each other a high five. Yay, we did it. So I'll post a picture up. I don't know if I'll get to it tonight. Well, I guess not, but in the morning early, I'll get a picture of it. It's really, and the color is really pretty. And she had a little bit left. And I said, She says, I know. Do you want some of this paint? I said, yeah, but I don't even have a paintbrush. She said, I've got one. So I've got to decide now what I want to paint that with that color. And it's that dark, dark blue. No, it's a French blue. But it's not like my French on the courtyard. It's a deeper, you know, the same as the she shed, if you remember the she shed. So we had a very adventurous day. And then she had to run to take something to the hospital, to the doctor's office, and pick up her granddaughter at work. So she asked if I wanted to go. And I said, sure, let me ride. I'm not going to take a nap anyway, evidently. So anyway, I got in the car with her. Thank goodness I was mobile today. Oh. But anyway, it was a good day. So we went to the doctor's office and everything, and her little puppy Daisy Mae went with us. And we come back and picked up Kayla. Well, Kayla had a little box of all kinds of pizza. Because she works at a pizza place, right? And on the top it says, to me, Ma. My sister was so happy. So happy. So anyway, we had a very, very nice day. And then I come home and I decided I'd lay down for a while. So I did. And I must have slept till, I don't know, 7, 8 o'clock. That's sad, isn't it? But it's okay. Time is really not important, what time things are. Except when I get out of sync, and I forget things because of I'm out of, not out of sync. I'm out of, if I'm in a schedule and you stay in a schedule, you'll know what's going on all the time. Once you get off this schedule, you're going, But anyway, I got the washing done too, so I felt like I had a very good day today. So it was fun. My sister and I giving each other a high five. Me out there in my gown, it's a wonder what the neighbors were saying in the backyard. But I don't care. And it's old people are invisible anyway. Oh well. I've got 2 books I'm going to read tonight before I go to bed, and so I'll be putting up book reviews on them. Ellie's People. I think I'm on books 7 and 8. I just love Amish books. I do. Just so, life just sounds so simple, and even though they always have somebody that gets killed by a car running in the back of their coach, or, their horse and buggy, and, just all kinds of things. But I enjoy it. I do. Makes me, I don't know, I just like it. Except the one that I finished yesterday was Plain Killing, and it was an Amish mystery. And it was about this girl who found, her and her friend were out swimming, and they were Amish, and when they were out there, they saw a bonnet in the water, and it was another girl, Amish girl, and she had drowned, and she was in her Amish outfit with her bonnet face down in the water. And so it starts that way. But I won't give you detail. Well, I might as well. I'll tell you up to the finish of it anyway. But it was sort of questioning because she had left the year before, left the order, and left the, and the family and the people, they shun her, So because she went with the English. And now they found her dead. Well, the cops can't get anywhere on this because they don't know how she drowned, and all the details about it. And the family doesn't want anything to do with her because they've shunned her. And so have her people. And so this one lady who is Amish, but she came back, and she's running a B&B. And so she's got a good relationship with the families, the Amish people, and, the other, and her boyfriend happens to be the sheriff. But anyway, he wasn't getting anywhere because families didn't want to talk to him, so she she managed to get, get some alliance going. But in that process, she got in a situation that was really sticky, and it was really detrimental to her health, if you know what I mean. But I won't tell you the ending or anything about the story. You'll just have to get the book. Well, it's an old book from, I think it was published in 2015, and it's large print and easy to read. Didn't take me very long to read it, but it gives me a peace of mind. I know it was murder. It shouldn't have been a peace of mind, but anyway, that's what it was. Well, I'm going to go ahead and continue with this shawl. I've been sort of slow today, being Monday. Although, my sister and I, we done good. I'll try to get a picture up and let you see what we did. Well, she did it. I just went out there and held the end there for her one time. And but she had that blue paint on her face. Oh, my goodness. She's an industrious little girl. She really is. Well, remember, God has you in His hands. Pray for Mother Earth and keep up our little bees, because they need some help, and that means we need help too. We all have a lovely, lovely day, and I will talk to you tomorrow. I got to read these books now. Bye-bye, everybody. Thanks for your comment, Bonnie. Take care. Bye-bye.